bees are back in the garden, trees are starting to bloom, and birds are starting to sing, and we have a birdhouse ready when they need a place to lay their eggs. This video is in collaboration with Emerging Green. They're a small family-owned business based in Singapore, but they have distribution centers here in the US. So if you order a product from them, and they have a lot of like nice and cool products for the house and for the garden, then you will get them in a couple of days, or like probably a few days, depending on your location and where the distribution center is located. So for this one, I'm very excited with this one. This is the Birdhouse. Like, as you know, I really love birds, so this is going to attract more birds in the garden. So this is a bird. You see, that's a bird. That's a hummingbird. So this is going to attract more birds in the garden. So I'm going to unbox this. So the main business model is to sell sustainable products, meaning products made from recycled materials or renewable materials. So, I'm going to post the link down below, the company's website down below, and then they're a very interesting like company, so we always want to support small businesses. So and then this one is so it came in a box like this. So because they also sell their products on Amazon, so check them on Amazon, and also check their website, which I am going to post down below. So it came on a box like this. This is an Amazon box, and then another box inside like this. And, so this is the label. So this is the company. Hope you can see Emerging Green. It say Emerging Green loves you. Please register your 1-year warranty. So their products are guaranteed for a year. So they have the 1-year guarantee when you register your product. And so here is the box, and then here is the Birdhouse. Look at this. It came assembled already. Just need to install them on the wall, on the fence. Ta-da! So look at that. And then it has this like latch. So you can open it and like clean it like that. See? You can see what's inside. If there's like a bird nesting there. And then you just close it like that. And there's a hole here to attach on a wall or on a tree or on a fence. That's it. Oh, and then there's a perch. 1 second. So the perch is inside. So it came with a removable like perch like this. So the perch would go in here. Oh, actually it came with a... Oh, I prepared like screws. Like I have like screws here. I prepared like different like sizes of screws because I didn't know what like size I would need. But actually it came with like the screws. So it has everything you need. So it has a screw to attach to like a wall or a fence, and it has another screw to attach this perch to the birdhouse. Like this, so you attach this here, and then you attach this on the wall like this. I'm going to show you later. So this, and then this here. So to attach this onto here, the birdhouse came ready with everything you would need. So it has a perch where you can attach on this hole, and it has like a screw to attach onto a wall or a fence like this. And as you can see, and then there's a latch here to open and to see what's inside or to clean it up. So as you can see, the hole is bigger. If you buy like birdhouses, I'm going to show you an example. If you buy birdhouses on a craft store like this, so this is like we bought this from a craft store, you can see that the opening is like really small, so no birds, so it's more of like decorative. No birds would like go inside of that because look how tiny it is. But look at the hole on this one, you see. So birds would love to nest here because they have a bigger opening. They can actually go inside. This one is just more of like for decorative, like for like like decoration in the garden. But if you really want to see birds having a nest in your garden or nesting in your garden, then this is the way to go. And this is also stained. So this is stained to last long, and again there is a 12-month guarantee on their products. So I'm going to install this now. It's actually very easy. Just open this, and then you know there is a hole here and then another hole there. So make sure that like the screw is like coming from the inside going out, and then you just like, I don't think you even need like anything. So you just need I'll get a screwdriver. You just need a simple like screwdriver. I have I'll check if this is going to. So I don't even need this like screwdriver. All I need is just like simple one because I don't want to destroy it with that one. I'm not like good at using it anyway. So make sure you have the screw coming from the inside of the door outside. So you're going to put the perch here and just screw it like that. Make sure it's tight, just in case an eagle lands in here. See how long the perch is, and then you can close it with this latch. And then all I need is to install this. There's something inside. Oh, it's the thing from the other screwdriver. Okay, now let's install this onto a wall or a fence. Right? I think this is the perfect spot for this birdhouse because we have a fig tree here, so they can just hop on from the fig tree when they're eating the figs. So in here, like that. So it's screwed now. We have a fig tree here. Oh, look, there's a hummingbird. Look at that. Okay. The hummingbird is pollinating our calamuntin. Oh, is that left? We have a fig tree here. We get a lot of birds on this tree because birds love figs. So they can hop on from here to there if they're ready to lay their eggs, right? And then this is a grapevine, so if that grows and covers the birdhouse, I can just move the birdhouse because it's just like one screw. Can just unscrew it and move to another place. Again, this is from Emerging Green. Please go check them out. They are not only selling birdhouses, but also products made of bamboo like plates and furniture. Stuff for the house, really cool stuff for the house and for the garden. They are selling products that are sustainable, made of recycled and renewable materials, the ones that are good for our environment. And also let us support small businesses, small family-owned businesses. They need our support, especially during this time. Bees are back in the garden, trees are starting to bloom, and birds are starting to sing, and we have a birdhouse ready when they need a place to lay their eggs.